Dr. Henri Rosenblum here at the Mission Life International College of Chiropractic Pediatrics. The page you're looking at is the programs page that lists our Chiropractic Pediatric Diplomat program, fully online Masters program, and all the 8 ebooks that comprise the program listed separately. All of these programs are now approved for CE credits by PACE and FCLB in over 40 states. What I'm going to do is go to one of the books and give you an example of how easy it is to learn with us. This book is Spinal Adjustment of the Child. Again, this is one of 8 ebooks. I'm going to advance right to the end of the book because I know where I'm headed in the book. And I'm heading for an AS occiput adjustment, which is right here on this page. In order to read the book, you just click, it gets larger and it gets smaller. Also, wherever you see these boxes with the arrows, when you go to them and click, they open up into one of 270 instructional videos like the one you're looking at right now. Let me make that larger. The disclaimer you're looking at is expressing that you should be very careful with how much force you are using when adjusting a baby. This is showing the pediatric drop AS occiput. The doctor who made these videos is Dr. Glenn Maginus. He is Dr. Morgan's and my partner in Australia. He is the one who developed this entire online program. It is the most complete program ever designed. You can have it on your computer, on your phone, on your tablets, 24/7, 365. I'm going to let this play out. You're seeing variations now on a left AS occiput, now on its bilateral. I'm going to come out of this right now because I do want to show you a video that is available on YouTube. And this video is of me doing a double AS occiput at our birthing center in Haiti, training a diplomat about 2 weeks ago. There are also about 12 students observing while this is going on. On this particular trip, we checked and adjusted over 70 babies under a year old, many of them under a month old. I'm going to come out of this right now, and I'm going to give you one other peek at what's going on with us. And it's one other video that happens to be available on my YouTube channel.
Dr. Henri Rosenblum here at the Mission Life International Birthing Center. We're celebrating our 1-year anniversary. We have had over 100 babies born here in the last year. We're hoping to do that many and maybe twice as many. I'm here with chiropractic student, soon to be Dr. Kelly Peterson. She's got one of our beautiful babies here. And if our videographer, John, will scan the area, you can see we have doctors working that are checking and adjusting babies and mothers and pregnant women. There's lots of students here, and we are just having a great time. All right. Come on. Let me know when we're warm.
So coming back to, hang on one second, coming back to the program. Again, www.mliccp.com. We are in our first year. We are offering very, very steep tuition discounts while the program is still launching. I will be training 3 more diplomats in September. We've got about 15 signed up for the program. This program will start growing fast. If you are interested, please get your questions answered so you can take advantage while the tuition is as low as $15 a credit for students and as low as $20 a credit for doctors. Thanks so much for your consideration. Dr. Henri Rosenblum, Mission Life International College of Chiropractic Pediatrics.